This video tutorial will demonstrate how to create a simple application using .NET and C#. First, you will need to install the latest .NET SDK. Go to .NET-Microsoft.com/download and download the latest SDK for your operating system such as Windows, Linux, Mac or Docker. Follow the instructions to install the .NET SDK. After the installation, you can open the IDE such as Visual Studio Code and start to develop your application. Now we are at the Visual Studio Code IDE. Let's begin with the new terminal. Let's create a new folder called Hello World. We can start a .NET application by typing .NET new console. So this will create some folders and some files. Hello World.cs project and the program.cs and the object folder. To run a .NET application, you can type .NET run. And you can see the output is Hello World. Let's go to the program.cs to see the codes. So the interface of this code is very simple as compared to the previous version .NET 5. There's only one line of code. Console.writeLine Hello World. Let's modify the application by asking for a name and say hello to someone. Console.writeLine. What is your name? Remember to end with the semicolon. Next, we will define a string and read the data from the console. Next, we will output the data save the file and run again. So asking what is your name, I'll say Alfred, and the output will be hello Alfred. This concludes the video on .NET and C#. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.